Welcome students from S.Teaching online to study with our teacher mathematics. Today we have chapter 1 from the curriculum about numbers. These numbers, the type of the numbers we are going to take next class inshallah. But today we are going to know about the prime numbers and how to find the highest common factors and the lowest common multiple. What about the prime number? What is a prime number? From the definition, we know the prime number is any number can be divided by itself and the L1. This meaning the number it has only two factors. Also, what the meaning the number it has only two factors, meaning the sets of this number consist of two elements. For example, if I have number 5 and I'm going to say 5 can be divided by 1 is okay, and 5 can be divided by 5. This meaning the sets of these numbers, it will be 1 and L5. So the sets is consist of two elements only. No more numbers can be divided by 5 here. So I have just only two elements. So we can say this is as this is a prime number. But if I have, for example, number 6, the 6 can be by 1, 6 can be by 6, also can be by 2, and also can be by 3. So if I'm going to write the sets of this number, it will be the factorize of this number, it will be L1 and L2 and L3 and L6. This meaning it has four factors, it has 4 elements. This meaning they cannot be a prime number, is not a prime number. Because we said the prime number just only 2 elements. It should be the sets consist of 2 elements. So from this definition, and we can now to ask you one questions about L1. Is L1 a prime number or not? Yes or no? Some students, they informed me yes, and they told me because L1 can be by 1 and by itself also. But if I'm wanted to write the sets of this number, it consists of 1 element only. If the number here consists of 1 element, cannot be a prime number. If for this situation, we can say L1 is not a prime number. So what is the smallest prime number? The smallest. What is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number now is 2, not L1. This is very important information. All of you have to take care about it. Let's go now to how to find the highest common factors after we know what is the prime numbers. What is the highest common factors? This is the abbreviation is coming in the exam. You have to know the highest common factors. Let's go for the example. Here I give it to you. Find the highest common factor for number 30 and 40. What I have to do here, let's go to see how to go to solve it. I'm going to factorize the two numbers into prime numbers. Here, it will be the easiest way to solve this type of the question without any mistakes. Let's go for number 3 and 40. So 30 divided by 2 is equal 15. Divided by 5 is equal to 3. Divided by 3 is equal to 1. So the prime factor here is 2 by 5 by 3. What about 40 divided by 2? It will be 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. So what I have here, I have 2 to the power 3 by 5. Now, what is the highest common factor for these two numbers? I'm going to take just only the common between factorizing here. I'm going to take just only the common with the lower power. I wanted the highest, I will take the lower power. So I'm going to check it. 2, I have, it is common for both number. Here, power 3, power 1, I will take the lowest power. And 5 also is a common with equal power, so I take one of them. What about 3? I will not take it because 3 is not common between both of them. So the highest common factor here now is equal 10. So now we understood when I wanted to factorize, to find the highest common factors, I'm going to factorize the two numbers into two prime factors. So I'm going to take the common between both of them with the lower power. What about a lowest common multiple? Let's take example for the lowest common multiple. He asks you find the lowest common multiple for 36 and 120. I'm going to do the same. I will take my lines here to factorize the two numbers with my boxes here to write my factorize so I can easy to compare without mistakes. 36 and 120. So divided by 2, it will be 18. Divided by 2, it will be equal 9. Divided by 3, it will be equal 3, and 3 divided by 3, 1. So I have here 2 to the power 2 by 3 to the power 2. Here divide by 2 is 60, divide by 2 is 30, and divide by 2 is 15, and divided by 5 it equals 3, divided by 3 is equal to 1. So what I have here is 2 to the power 3 by 5 by 3. Now if I wanted to find a lowest common multiple, I'm going to take all but with the highest power. I will take all with the highest power. I have here common 2 and 2 power 3. I will take 2 to the power 3. And I have 3 to the power 2. And I have 3 to the power 1. I will take 3 to the power 2. What about L5? It is not a common, but I will take it here for lowest common multiple. So I have 8 by 9 by 5, it will be equal 360. It will be the lowest common multiple. By this way, you cannot do any mistakes. Thank you for all of you, and I hope it was nice listen today and you understand very well everything. And see you next class. Bye bye.